Good morning, students. This is the fourth English class. Last class we have completed the second unit prose and promised you that I will teach you the grammar part and writing competencies today. In each lessons, writing part is very important. As per the new question pattern, 5-mark question will be asked from this pattern. So here in second unit, speech writing is given. Everybody knows that what is speech, and some of you delivered it. But do you know how to write a speech? Here I gave the format. Yes, it has a format. A speech has at least 4 paragraphs. 4 paragraphs. Don't worry. Let me explain what are the content should be there in 4 paragraphs. First paragraph, you should wish and invite everyone in the beginning. For instance, respected correspondent, co-correspondent, principal, teachers and students, a heartfelt welcome to all. Alike, you should wish everyone and invite everyone in the beginning of your speech. Then introduce the topic. Now I am going to talk about COVID-19, the current issue. Similarly, you should introduce the given topic in the first paragraph itself. Second paragraph, start to explain the topic. Unless you explain it with an example, the speech cannot be so attractive. Example may be the real-time incident or maybe the story. For the topic COVID-19, we can say a lot of examples. A man violated the 144 and loitering everywhere in the city, and since the parents advised him, he did not obey. Likewise, we can say an example. If your topic is a proverb, say any one relevant moral story. Anyhow, example is must. Third paragraph. Justify the topic with a story. Say the moral of the story here and compare it with the topic. For example, our topic COVID-19, we can justify like this. If we do not stay home, we will also get corona disease. It is too dangerous to our family members also. Similarly, we can justify our topic with an example. Fourth paragraph. Say a conclusion part of your topic. Say your own opinion at here. Ultimately, thank everyone. So remember, speech writing has 4 extended paragraphs. Now we can move to the grammar part. Articles. Articles. What is articles? What are articles? What is articles? Articles are the words that define a noun, specific or unspecific. Then, what are articles? A and the. The article the have 2 pronunciations. The or the. The is pronounced when it comes before the vowel sound. The is pronounced when it comes before the consonant sound. What are specific article and what are unspecific articles? The is the specific article. A and an is the unspecific article. How it is divided as specific and unspecific? See this example. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. So it is specific. See this example. After a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. By using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Thus, it is unspecific. Then, see its functions. Article A. It comes before a word that starts with a consonant. For example, a bluebird, a nice man, a wonderful dinner. Then article an. It comes before a word that starts with the vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an insect. and it has some of the exceptions. The use of a or an depends on the beginning sound. Beginning sound. Example, the word unique. The word starts with U, but the sound is U. So, a unique, that is not an unique. And zero articles. Sometimes there is no article in some occurrence. When we say the name of the languages, we should not use articles. The English, it is not at all possible. When we say about the proper nouns and subjects, we should not use any articles. So I hope that everyone got it clearly. In the next class, we will see about the supplementary lesson. In this lesson, we have one more grammar part. Now I am skipping that. For the real-time class, I will take you surely.